How to convert between dictionaries and lists. Suppose I have the dictionary as follows: name Jane, gender female, and age 34. Now, suppose I want to create a list of all the items, that is, keys and values in a dictionary. That time I use the method mydictionary.items. So, this gives us, as you can see, just a list of all the key and value pairs. Each of them are enclosed in a tuple. So I can create a variable L1 is equal to, I'll typecast this as list, and I'll write that my dictionary dot items. And when I print L1, I'll get the same dictionary that that is written previously. But in the list form. Now, suppose I want to create a list of just the keys. That time I'll use L2 is equal to my dictionary dot keys, and dot keys gives returns the returns a list of all the keys in the dictionary. So just to be sure, we have again typecasted it as list, and then we have printed L2, and we can see we have got the key. We have got the keys in the list: name, gender, and age. And similarly, L3 is the list which has all values of the dictionary. So I have got those values by writing my dictionary dot values, and then we write the round brackets, and when we print L3, we again get all of these values in the dictionary. So that's how we have got L1, L2, and L3. So we have converted dictionary to list, and now let's do the opposite. Let's convert list to a dictionary. Now suppose I have the list ls is equal to, I have this list 1A, 2B, 3C. In this, the key is followed by value. So the keys in this list are 1, 2, and 3, and the values are A, B, and C. Now I'll write a simple for loop for I in range. Before that, I will just create an empty dictionary. My dictionary is equal to empty dictionary, and now I'll write for I in range 0 to length of ls, and we'll skip 2. We'll increment I by 2, and now I'll write my dictionary, and I'll write the key ls of I is equal to, the value will be ls of I plus 1. So that way we keep iterating until the end of the list. And now when we print the dictionary, we'll get 1A, 2B, 3C in the proper dictionary form. And just to be sure, we have seen the type of my dictionary, and it says dictionary. The another method of converting the list to a dictionary is using the zip method. So for that, again I have the same list 1A, 2B, 3C, and I first create an iterative object of ls. So I write iter, and then I write in the brackets ls. That will show me the list iterator object. So I'll just save this in a variable L, and now I'll create a my dictionary is equal to, I'll typecast it as dictionary, and then I'll zip L comma L. So that's because we have the key and value in the same list. That's why we have written L comma L. So when we print it, we get 1A, 2B, 3C. Now in the case of where we have keys and values in separate lists, we write, suppose we have L1 as suppose we have keys, we have the list keys, and we have the name, age, and city, and we have the values. Before that, we create an iterative object of keys. So I write k is equal to iter keys, and values is equal to Jane 34 and New York. Now we create the iterative object of both of these lists, and then we write my dictionary is equal to, we typecast it to dictionary, and then we write zip, and we write keys, that is k, and the values will be from v, k comma v. So now when we print my dictionary, we get name Jane, age 34, and city New York. So this is how we have converted list to dictionary and vice versa in Python.